We've all heard the idea of content's king, battling queen, or around, depending on what to say. So what I was going to do as a bit of an experiment is I'm going to basically be doing like a gigantic article about a topic, in this case video games, and basically it should in theory be the biggest article which the search engine will find. It'll basically cover as much as possible in regards to the game, the story, the history, the founders, all kind of stuff. It will also include high quality link building, so I'll include some link building into it as like a later video, and I'll basically show you if you want to do the same thing. But this article itself, I won't be using AI things for it. I'll just basically manually write myself. I've been including high quality images into it and a range of other things. So there'll be a lot of things going into it. It will include videos as well. There is quite a lot of videos made for it, so I will probably to do this. I will probably create another YouTube channel purely for this purpose to basically try and help basically boost the authority of the article on the site. And I think it will be quite an interesting topic to see how far it can go. The terms that we're trying to rank for, I would say, are pretty competitive, so it will be quite a good experiment to see if the site itself can take on basically high-end video game themed sites or retro sites or the rest of it. But I will be basically doing some fancy link building where I will be basically getting links of other high authority sites to make it more powerful and then see what happens. And once all that's sort of done in the next little while, I don't know how long it'll take me because I've still got to basically finish those parts off it, but once it's done, it'll probably be done, I would guess, depending of course how long it takes me to do, probably either late this year or early next year, and that'll include different factors into it. Anyway, that's all the video. Hope you have a good week, and see ya.